Arctic warming and its subsequent effects on the indigenous populations of northern Russia. The substantial warming of the Arctic region since the mid-20th century and its subsequent effect, i.e. loss of coastal sea ice, permafrost thaw, sea level rise, as well as increased weather intensity, has negatively impacted northern Russia, its surrounding ecosystems, as well as indigenous populations. Due to increased temperatures, the regions of northern Russia experience a regular slumping and landslides, loss of land, from rapid snowmelt and intense precipitation. This leaves the area prone to rock falls, debris flow, and avalanches. In turn, this rapid change in climate has negatively impacted the surrounding ecosystems. There has been a visible trend in population decrease of Arctic species such as in polar bears and Arctic foxes. It is forecasted that the warming of the Arctic will exceed the global rate, and within this century, the Arctic Ocean is projected to lose the majority of its ice. This surge of warming has also affected the Russian Arctic indigenous populations of approximately 68,000 people, according to 2010 census data. They are particularly vulnerable due to their reliance on the region's natural resources, on top of a multitude of other socioeconomic stressors, resource development of oil and mining and its effect on land pollution, poverty, marginalization. Their livelihood of hunting, harvesting, and herding is also being threatened from extreme changes and loss of land. These negative effects on land have gotten to a point of being made unlivable, which has forced these communities to relocate entirely. In addition, the increased temperature, along with its negative effect on air pollution prevalent in these regions, have even begun to entrench on their health, causing respiratory and cardiac stress along with exposure to diseases such as the tick-borne encephalitis. Although the future of these communities might look grim, there is progression being made. In partnership with these indigenous populations, their historical knowledge that has been passed down through many generations, along with modern scientific knowledge, serves as a guidance for the development of future sustainable adaptation strategies.